Hello, today we will learn about MVC in AngularJS. What is MVC? MVC stands for M for model. Model means contains application data, and MVC is having three of MVC means M for model, V for views, C for controller, and M for model means contains application data, and we are having a separate file of model. In that file we are having that data, which data we want to display in view. In this file we can write that data, which data we want to show in a display. That data we can keep in the view file. And then we are having one more of V for view. View means contains presentation logic. Whenever we create user interface that we create in view, basically view is a HTML page. Whatever data we want to display in view, that data we will store into model. Because of every time lots of data we have to write in backend file means model, but which data whatever we want to print and whatever we want to show, to that we have in the whatever we want to print or show, that tables data we have to, for that tables we have to write a logic in view file. But both of file cannot communicate each other. To communicate each other both of file, we are having controller. Controller means create communication path between model and view. If you don't have controller, then we cannot do any work. Controller work as a bridge between model and view. With the help of controller, both of can communicate each other easily. I want to tell you an example. Model concept. Model is a responsible for maintaining data, and view is a responsible for displaying data to the user, and controller controls the interactions between model and view. Third one is MVC concept. MVC architecture pattern. AngularJS support MVC architecture in software development. MVC support architecture development, and the model holds the data and logic. The view hold the visual layout and presentation, while the controller coordinates the model and view. Models. It is a container used to hold other parts of an application. It has the option to define its own controllers, services, filter, directives, and so on. I want to tell you an example. How can we create a class? How can we create a HTML class and AngularJS file and models? These all of things, how can we create? I want to show you. Please see. As I have already created a file, like these all of file I have created AngularJS. This file I did not create. This file we have to download from the Angular org website. I want to tell you from how can we download that. We have to go on this website angularjs.org. After reaching on this website, and then we have to click on download AngularJS. After clicking here, then we will see browse additional modules. as we have seen here. From this we can download that file which we want to download. As per our requirement, we can download file from here. As I have downloaded this one file, angular.js file. From there you can download. Now these all of file, to open this file, these all of file or create these all of file, we need Notepad++. As I am opening this file, as you can see here we are having both of file, model1.js and index.html. This file is also we are having here. In this file, first is we have to create this one file, angular index.html. In this file we have to write doctype html and html ng-app. This is very mandatory to write AngularJS code, ng-app. After that we have to write here title, United Documents. In this title we can write anything, whatever we want to write. After that we have to write a script, src. In src we have to write angularjs.js. This means it is a path of that file, which file we have downloaded from angular.org. This is supported file. And then we have to write another file path also, script src module1.js. This means this one file path. After that we have to close that head, and then we have to open a body. In body we have to create a div. In the div we have to write ng-controller. This is ng-controller. ng is a angular, means angular, and controller we have to write only controller. This is a predefined. We cannot change this one. After that, my controller, I want to tell you where from I have wrote this one. And then name, I want to tell you. Now we have to click on module1.js. After clicking here, and then we have created a variable. In this variable we have write angular.model bracket double quotes my mode dot bracket. In this my mode we can write here anything, name, whatever we want to write. But all of things we have added in app. This is a variable. After that we have to write app.controller bracket my controller. In this we can write anything, whatever we want to write. But whatever we will write here, this we have to mention in our index file, this one name. After that we have to create a function, scope function. After that we have to write a name, scope.name. This is a variable. After that here we have write a message, learning never ends. In this section we can write anything message, whatever we want to write or whatever we want to print. After that we have to go on our main file. In this main file, as I have told to you, as we are having the name here, my controller, this name we have mentioned here. You can see here. And then we have open a h2 tag. After opening this, and then we have to open a curly bracket, double curly bracket. In double curly bracket we have to write name, as we have mentioned here. This one name, this is a variable, as we have mentioned here. And then we will run this program. After running this program, and then it can show this. It will show this message, learning never end. Thank you very much.